In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and send marketing emails in the classic editor in HubSpot, step by step. If you're using HubSpot for email marketing and prefer the flexibility of the classic editor, this tutorial will walk you through everything from creating your email to sending or scheduling it properly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings that could affect deliverability. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to navigate to the classic email tool inside HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account, then go to the top navigation bar and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Email. This will take you to your email dashboard where you can see previously created emails and performance metrics. In the top right corner, click on Create Email. Next, you'll be asked to choose the email type. For this tutorial, select Regular Email. This is the standard marketing email option that allows you to send a one-time email to a list or segment of contacts. After selecting Regular Email, you can choose a template. You can either start from a pre-built template or select a saved template your team has created. Once selected, the Classic Editor will open. Now it's time to build your email. In the Classic Editor, you have full control over your layout and content. You can click into any module to edit it directly. You can add or edit HTML modules if you want more customization. If you're comfortable with code, you can switch to HTML mode and directly edit the underlying code for precise control. You can also insert images, buttons, and rich text modules by dragging them into your layout. Click on an image module to upload a new image or select one from your file manager. For buttons, customize the text, link URL, and styling to match your brand. One powerful feature in HubSpot is personalization tokens. When editing text, click on Personalize to insert tokens like the contact's first name, company name, or other CRM properties. This helps you create more personalized and engaging emails. You can also adjust layout sections by adding columns or rearranging modules to structure your email exactly how you want it. Once your content looks good, the next step is to configure your email settings. At the top of the editor, click on the Settings tab. Here, you'll fill in the most important details. Start with the email subject line. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. Next, add preview text. This is the short snippet that appears next to or below the subject line in most email clients. Then, set your from name and from email address. Make sure this is recognizable and consistent with your brand to improve open rates and trust. After that, choose the appropriate subscription type. This ensures you're sending the email to contacts who have opted in for that specific communication type. You'll also want to assign the email to a campaign if you're tracking performance across multiple assets. Finally, set an internal email name. This is only visible to your team and helps you stay organized inside HubSpot. After reviewing your settings, click on the Review and Send tab. HubSpot will check for any issues, such as missing subject lines or required fields. You can also send a test email to yourself or a team member to preview how it looks in an inbox. When you're ready, choose whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. If scheduling, select the exact date and time based on your audience's time zone or optimal engagement window. Then click Send or Schedule and your marketing email will be on its way. And that's it. That's exactly how to create and send marketing emails in the Classic Editor in HubSpot from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot and digital marketing guides. I'll see you in the next video.